Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli.
It's 13 April 2020. I am going to teach you subject Science Bio of class 6, chapter 1, and the chapter name is Cellular Organization of Plants and Animals. So students, there are some questions in today's lecture that I am going to explain to clear your concepts. You have to open your notes so that it can be more clear or you can understand better. The first question in your notes is, what is cell? Answer is, a cell is the basic unit of structure and function of all living organisms. Structures means like body structure, shape or posture, and functions like breathing process, digestion process and the control of movement, etc. Now here is second question, and the second question is, define cell wall and what is its function? Answer is, the outermost covering of a plant cell is called cell wall. As you can see in the diagram, the outermost covering is cell wall. Its function is to support the cell and gives it shape. You can take the example of your room or your house. Its wall gives it shape and support it. Third question is, what is the function of white blood cells? Answer is, white blood cells fight against germs that cause diseases. So, in our body, white blood cells are present to kill the germs and cure the disease, to keep us healthy and fit. So, question number 4 is, differentiate between unicellular and multicellular organisms. First one is unicellular organisms. As the name shows, uni means one. So the living organisms made of only one cell are called unicellular organisms. Examples are bacteria, amoeba, etc. These are the living organisms that are made of only one cell. In the second column, multicellular organisms. As the name shows, multi means different. So the living organisms made of more than one cell are called multicellular organisms. Examples are plants, animals, etc. So plants, animals are the living organisms that are made of different cells, multi-cells. Students, you can see the diagram of unicellular and multicellular organisms in your book. On page number 9, in the topic unicellular and multicellular organisms, figure 1.5, after keeping the concept in your mind, identify unicellular and multicellular organisms in this diagram. Here is the question number 5, and the question is, what is the function of epidermal tissues? Answer is, epidermal tissues, the function of epidermal tissues is to cover the roots, stem and leaves of a plant. So students, it's all about today's lecture. If there is any question or any difficulty, just write it down and ask it at the time of asking questions. Here comes today's diary, and the diary is learn short question answer from 1 to 5 and also write it down on your HA register. Hope you learn it by heart. Thank you. Stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.